everyone and welcome to the channel Little Tummy, and I'm your host Meenka. Today I'm making something in dessert. Well, again, it's a season of festivals, so I'm making something in sweets. So it's a very simple recipe what I'm making today. It's a Paan Custard Thandai. Yes, this can be made anytime during the festivals, mostly drunk during the holy season, but you can eat it, drink it anytime you feel like after your meals. So let's start the recipe now. Now since we are making the thandai, what I have done is I have placed a pan on the gas and I have taken almost half a liter of milk. It's a full cream milk because we are making a rich dessert this time. So I have put this milk for heating purpose and it will continue to boil because we are putting custard into it. So the time it's getting boiled, let's prepare the preparation for the ingredients that goes into the milk, and that is a thandai. Now to make the thandai, what I have done is I have taken small things. This is a desiccated coconut. If you want, you can take the fresh coconut. Some nuts. I have taken almonds and pistachios. This is sunflower seeds, melon seeds, some cherries. This is the soft, the meaty soft that we usually do put in the food material. This is the poppy seeds. I have soaked this into almost like 2 tablespoons of water almost an hour before. This is the gulkand. Since we are making the Paan recipe, I'll add the beetle leaves as well as the gulkand as a sweetener. So I don't think sugar will be necessary into adding to it. And this is milk because we need to dilute this custard powder into milk, and then we just pour it inside the main milk that is boiling. So let's start preparing the portion of the ingredients that goes into the milk other than the custard. Now what we do is just to put everything into the grinder and make it a paste. So now I one by one add the ingredients into the grinder. This is the cherries. You can use them all to garnish the main thandai also. This goes the soft inside. The quantity you can decide as per your taste. The sunflower seeds, this is optional. If you really wish to add them, okay, otherwise you can just omit. These are the nuts. The melon seeds. These things only give flavors and they become a little good in taste when you eat them. Give the richness into the thandai. Desiccated coconut and this water soaked poppy seeds all goes inside. And now we add the gulkand at right this point of time. So you have taken almost 2 tablespoons of gulkand depending upon the sweetness you want in this thandai. If you wish, you can add more of it. And now we add the main ingredient, that is the beetle leaves. We're almost taken 8 to 10 pieces of beetle leaves. If you have green color, fooding color, you can add that green color. And if you don't have that green color, you can arrange for the fresh beetle leaves and then just chop them with your hands, break into pieces and then put it in the grinder because we need to make a paste out of it. So once we have done this, let's just close the lid and then give it a grind. Now I've grinded all the materials together. If you can see, this has turned into a paste. This is the good thick paste, and if you feel the water content is less or the paste is a little thicky, then you can add some milk or water into it. I've added milk as to make the paste into a proper consistency. Now we can add this into the milk, but before that let's add some water or milk into our custard powder so as to give it a good paste look. Now this is almost 2 tablespoons of custard powder, a normal vanilla flavored custard. I'm adding almost 2 tablespoons of milk into it. You can add water if you want. You only have to just mix this powder to make it a water consistency, as we can drop this into the boiling milk. Just mix it well so that no lumps remains in this mixture. And once it's done, now let's just go to the pan where the milk is boiling. Now this milk has been boiling for almost like 5 minutes, and let me switch off this flame now because we are pouring this custard mixture into it. Slowly and gradually just pour this mixture into it and stir it at the same time. Once I've stirred it well, let's just put the flame on, and it should be on the medium or low flame. Now keep stirring it, and now I'm dropping my paan and gulkand mixture that we have already prepared with so many ingredients. Use a spoon to drop the mixture very slowly and keep stirring it at the same time. Everything goes inside the pan of milk. Now we have mixed the ingredient well into the milk, and in few minutes you will see that the milk will start to thicken because we have added the custard powder as well as the poppy seeds. They both will thicken the milk, but keep stirring on medium flame till the milk is cooked well with all the ingredients. And you can always check the sugar content at this point of time, since I've added almost 2 tablespoons of gulkand. But if you want a little sweeter thandai, you can increase the gulkand, or you can add additional sugar to the thandai as well. See, the color of the thandai has turned into green without even adding green fooding color, because the beetle leaf are rich enough that they have given a good color into this custard. Now you can just stir it for almost 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes I'll switch off the flame. Now my thandai has been boiling for almost 5 minutes, and if you can see, this milk has already thickened well. Now I'm switching off my flame, and say let for 15 minutes or 20 minutes I'll just keep it to let it cool on room temperature, and then I will just pour it in my glasses. It has to be a little cooler, and it tastes very well when it's cold. So let me just wait for some time till it gets cold. It has been cooling for quite a long time, and now I'm just pouring them into my mini glasses. Such cute glasses they look now. Just fill both of them to the brim, but don't fill much. I'm filling just near the brim, and then let's decorate it further. Now let's decorate them with some sweet. This is coconut laddu. Just layer them on top of this thandai and just add some more flavors to it. I'm adding a piece of glazed dry fruit nut, and here your thandai is ready. Awesome it looks and awesome it tastes. So make this dessert on this Diwali or any occasion if you feel like. And please, if you like this recipe, subscribe my channel, pass a comment and share with your friends. Till next time, wait for my recipe and take care. Bye bye.